I'm Dr. Meghan Freund, and I'm an OB-GYN with Bell & Health Donations. It's hard to go to the gynecologist. People don't enjoy that. I mean, it's easy to go to the obstetrician, because it's very happy, but, gynecologic issues, a lot of women tend to get very nervous about, and they want to be able to feel comfortable. And listening, I think that's the first step to building a relationship with a patient is to really understand where they're coming from and listening to actually what's going on. Because sometimes it's not always obvious too. Having a conversation with somebody, they may come in for one thing, but then you completely realize it's something totally different, and figuring that out with them through conversation. I knew early on that I wanted to be a physician. I started my rotations off with, family medicine and internal medicine, and I really did enjoy seeing those patients and day in and day out and just building a relationship with certain patients. But then I did my general surgery rotation, and I really enjoyed the hands-on, procedural side of medicine. Then after that, I did my OB-GYN rotation at this amazing hospital in Orlando, an entire hospital dedicated to women and babies, basically, and it was very inspiring. And I saw the connection between, having a relationship with your patients that I loved early on in my rotation, as well as encompassing the surgical aspect of it. We do surgery for many different reasons, one being heavy vaginal bleeding. Sometimes surgical management is either all that's left or someone prefers, and therefore we go ahead and remove the uterus and the gynecologic organs and to help better their quality of life in terms of their menstrual cycles. Sometimes people have pelvic masses or ovarian cysts that we're taking care of, or people have pelvic pain. There's lots of different reasons why we do surgery. We also deliver babies through C-section, so that's a surgical procedure too. I've got this Maya Angelou quote on my little information card that I really go by, and it's basically that idea of people are always going to remember the way you made them feel. So that's always in the back of my mind.